Welcome again to CryptoJet, my fellow holders, shillers, and blockchain degenerates. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the best crypto news, insights, and of course, my beautiful voice. Now, let's dive straight into Bitcoin, the coin of the day, the giant, the dinosaur of the cryptocurrency industry. But before we take a look into the price action and see where we're going from this current 48K mark, let's talk a little bit about statistics and cover some world news and a few funny memes about cryptocurrencies. So currently the global market cap is over 2.1 trillion with a $90 billion volume in the last 24 hours. That's okay. The market is sort of gaining back everything that was lost within this previous, profit-taking move. So this marked with two cut lines. It basically is a bullish correction pattern that was as a result of some bad news from China, but more primarily just a simple profit-taking move from the market. Same as, this was a profit-taking move from this whole, even larger part of the bull run. Now, if we move back down, we can see that Bitcoin's market cap is at 900 billion. It has around 42.5% dominance at this point, but I do suggest that this will go down in the near future. If we look at the market cap or dominance chart, we can see that Bitcoin since the beginning of January of 2021, so this year, has actually been falling in dominance ever since. So at the start of the year, it was 70% dominant, which means that 70% of crypto's total market cap was in Bitcoin, but currently it's at 42% with Ethereum slowly, rising a bit more and more, but also you can see the other coins are also in line with Ethereum. So in the future, I expect Bitcoin to be even lower in dominance, let's say 20%, so that the market can simply move more independently from both Bitcoin and Ethereum, because I don't really like to see, when Bitcoin is rising, altcoins are rising, everything is in a bull run, and then when Bitcoin falls, everything starts falling. It would be more nice to see that coins have their own value based on how valuable their projects are. And it's going to take some time for people in the market to actually learn this and become accustomed and familiar with other projects. And, simply the knowledge curve is quite large and it's going to take some time. So the first piece of news that I saw today is the US trying to bring together 30 countries to combat the illicit use of cryptocurrencies. So what's happening is they want to improve law enforcement collaboration. They want to completely shut down illicit use of cryptocurrency and cybercrime. So basically, this is the first step towards trying to do this. So I believe it's not only cryptocurrency related. They just want to tackle cybercrime. And obviously, it's going to be a catchy title if it says cryptocurrencies. You can read more about it on bitcoin.com. I wouldn't be too worried about this. This is okay, and it connects very fairly to the next point that we're covering, which is Coinbase actually giving a proposal for how to regulate cryptocurrencies with US lawmakers. So I think both of these news go hand in hand because they want to fix cybersecurity, which means more regulation. Coinbase will benefit if they're the first ones to create a deal with US lawmakers in terms of money, in terms of maybe they can be exempt from some sort of regulation on their platform. So nobody knows exactly what's going on behind the scenes, but regulation in crypto does not have to be a bad thing. It can save a lot of people from potentially losing money from trading on, bad exchanges or non-reputable exchanges and stuff like that. So I'm all for regulation, but let's just see how this plays out and if it actually, provides some value to the Bitcoin world. Next upon, we see Magnus Carlsen, one of the best chess players in the world. They will all compete for an NFT trophy on the next championship tour in chess. So this is very cool. I'm not sure what the NFT trophy is, but I like to see that there are actually, competing for that, and they can see the value in a unique object, a unique asset such as an NFT. It could be like an NFT little queen or king chess piece. Next up, we got socios.com. If any of you have not heard of this, it's actually Chili's. That's the token, and they have tokens for becoming fans of many football clubs around the world. So each club has their own sort of sub token, and the more you own of those tokens, you can actually be included in voting rights. For example, what kind of jerseys do you want to see next year? What kind of gear or extracurriculars or whatever you want to see. So it's a very exciting thing, and there's a new feature coming this October. Nobody knows what that is, so I just wanted to point it out to you. Keep an eye on this Chili's coin because it may be bouncing up in price very soon. Lastly, we have, would you rather buy a house or buy Litecoin right now? To be honest, I would not buy any of them and actually put all of my money into IOTA, but that's just my personal opinion. So moving on to the chart, we can see obviously the triple bottom from before, an increase in price, rebound down here into the next zone of support. So around the 36K mark, price was pushed all the way up, and then we had a profit taking move that resembles a bull flag formation or a bullish corrective pattern because we failed to hold the area above the 50K mark. Now, we've actually respected the 50% Fibonacci retracement level and broken out, but we're finding resistance at this point, which sort of worries me a little bit, because I believe that we are going to be breaking this point and going for a new all-time high soon, but we still haven't tested the 61% Fib level. So in the worst case, I could see Bitcoin actually going down once again straight into this level of support as a result of bad news in the market, or suddenly everything is regulated, news from China, news from the USA, manipulation of the market at its peak, price moves all the way back down, and then we buy in there and simply enjoy the massive rebound of everybody who finds Bitcoin at a discount at this price right here. And by Bitcoin, I mean the whole market. So this chart represents the whole market because Bitcoin is still almost 50% dominant. That's all for me today. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and leave a comment if you have any future video ideas. Until we meet again, hodl for dear life, and I'll see you all in the next one. Adios.